Back to SGS online class. Today in class 5 math I will start revision of profit and loss percent in chapter 9 profit and loss. Student, I have explained what is profit and what is loss. Student, when selling price is greater than cost price, then it is profit. And how we find out profit? Student, we subtract cost price from the selling price and we get profit, how much profit it is. And student, when selling price is less than cost price, then it is loss. And how we find out loss? Student, we subtract selling price from the cost price and we get loss, how much loss it is. So student, now let us start. First question, find profit percent. Students, see here 1a, cost price rupees 40, selling price rupees 50. Selling price is greater than cost price. So student, it is profit. Now how to find out profit percent? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Now student, see here, selling price is greater than cost price. So student, it is profit. I have explained right now. Now profit, how we find out profit, student? We subtract cost price from the selling price. Now put the value, because see here it is profit, and without finding out profit we cannot solve this profit percent. So we have to find out profit. Selling price minus cost price. Selling price how much? Rupees 50. Cost price how much? Rupees 40. Now profit 50 minus 40, student, rupees 10. Now profit percent, student, put the value 10 upon, this is profit, 10 upon cost price how much? 40 into 100. Now students, see here, we can reduce here 10 for 40. Now 4 to 8, remainder 2, 4, 5, 20. So profit percent, student, 25%. So in this way we solve. Now next question, student, cost price rupees 20, selling price rupees 35. So selling price is greater than cost price. Now we have to find out profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Now students, see here, selling price is greater than cost price. So it is profit. And student, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Now put the value, student. Profit, see here, profit selling price how much, student? Rupees 35, cost price rupees 20. Now student, profit, solve this. Student, see here, 35 minus 20, 5. Now 2 minus 2, 0. See, 35 minus 20, 3 minus 2, 1. Student, 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. Rupees 15. So don't be confused. Now student, profit percent profit percent is equal to student profit upon CP. So profit how much? 15. And CP student cost price how much? 20 into 100. So student see here 20 500 15 575 5 5 25 5 5 5 6 7 75 75%. Now next question student, see, cost price is equal to rupees 85, selling price is equal to rupees 90. How we solve this student? What we have to find out? We have to find out profit percent. See here, you can see in this question, we have to find out profit percent, and student profit percent is equal to how much? Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Now students see here, this selling price is more than cost price. So it is profit student. Now student, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price with the value. Selling price how much student? Rupees 90. Cost price rupees 85. Now profit 85 plus 590. So here 10 minus 5 5. 10 minus 81 rupees 5. Now profit percent. Profit percent is equal to rupees profit upon profit how much? 5 upon, now cost price 85 into 100. Now students see, we can reduce it. Yes, we can reduce it. 5 see here 505 5735. Now profit percent upon 70. Now student, we can reduce it to mixed fraction form. Now divide it student, 100 divided by 17. How many times it will go student? 17 5 85. Now 10 minus 5 5. Now this will become 9 minus 1. So students, mixed fraction form. See, 17 15 5. 17 into 5, 25 plus 15. See here, 5 plus 15, 5, 10, 8, 1, 9, 10. So student, I hope you all have understood. Both the answers are right. Both the answers are right. Why I have solved in this manner? So that if it comes in optional question and both the options are given, you can select both the options, and both A and B, then you will select that option. If any one option is given 100 by 17, like this question comes, and if it is given in mixed fraction form, you can understand that how you can solve it. Clear? Now student, next question, how to find loss percent. Student, here cost price is given, selling price is given. Cost price is greater than selling price. See student, loss. I have already explained it. Now what we have to do? We have to find out loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100. Now selling price, cost price, selling price is less than cost price, so it is what student? It is loss. We have to find out loss to solve loss percent. Now student, loss is equal to selling price minus cost price. Now put the value. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now put the value. Cost price rupees 50 minus selling price rupees 35. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. So student, once again, student, when cost price is greater than selling price, then it is loss. And student, how we find out loss? We subtract selling price from the cost price to get loss. How much loss it is? Loss is equal to rupees 15. Now loss percent is equal to student, loss 15 upon cost price is student 50 into 100. Now 50 to 100. 15 into 5 is student 15 into 2, 30. See here 50. I have divided 100, this 100 by 50, 50 to 100. So student, 15 into 2, 30. So loss percent is 30%. Now next question is student, see here, cost price is given rupees 25, selling price is given rupees 20. The student, cost price is greater than selling price, it is loss. And what we have to do? We have to find out loss percent. Loss upon CP into 100. Now student, see here, selling price is less than cost price, it implies it is loss. Now loss, how we find out loss? CP minus SP. I have explained in previous video, I have explained in this video also student. Now put the value. Rupees 25 minus rupees 20. Rupees 25 minus 20, rupees 5. Now student, loss percent is equal to rupees, you can write rupees 5 upon how much it is? 25, cost price 25 into 100. 25 for 100. If you multiply 25 into 4, we get 100. So I divided this 100 by 25. Now 5 into 4, 20. 20%. Now next question is student, cost price is given rupees 100, selling price is given rupees 90. Now we know loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. We have to find out loss. The student, cost price is greater than selling price. loss. Now student, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. Now cost price, how much student? 100. Rupees 100. Now selling price, rupees 90. Loss is equal to 100 minus 90 student, rupees 10. Now loss percent, we put this value 10 upon 100 into 100. Now loss percent 10%. So student, in this way we find out profit and loss percent. I hope you all have understood. So this part is completed. Thank you.